This screencast is going over how to graph linear inequalities. We'll start first with something straightforward that's already solved for y. Y is greater than 2x plus 1. We do want it to be in y equals form, which it is, except instead of having an equal sign, it has the greater than symbol. We're going to start graphing in the same process. So we will go up 1 on our y-axis, then make our point, counter slope of 2 over 1, up 2, right 1, or down 2, left 1. Again, I'm drawing several points here so that I can draw a straight line. Because this is less than, this means we draw in a dashed line. And the reason we do that is because it is a boundary line and we do not include the points on the line in the solution. So again, our points on the line are not included in the solution. They will not make the inequality true. So we'll draw in a dashed line. That line divides my plane into two halves. If I look at my greater than symbol, I can see that I would be looking for values that are greater than whatever y is. Y is represented by the line. Greater than in a y direction is above a line. So what I am just shading in red would be my answer. Okay, let's do another one. This time we have y is less than or equal to negative a half x plus 3. So again, we start by finding our y-intercept of 3, count my slope down 1, right 2, or up 1, left 2. This time we have an or equal to, it's less than or equal to, so that means the points on the line are included in the solution. So we're going to draw a solid line. And because of the or equal to, they will make it a true statement. So we're drawing our solid line. Again, we divide our plane into two halves. This time it says less than. The values of y that are less than our line, because that's where y is equal to, are below the line. So where I have just shaded in red would be where I would find my solution point. Let's try 3x minus 4y is greater than or equal to 12. This one is not ready to graph because it's not solved for y. So I'm going to begin by subtracting 3x from each side. Negative 4y greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 12. Still not ready. I need to divide both sides by negative 4. When we divide both sides by a negative number with the inequality, we need to flip the sign around. So this becomes y is less than 3/4 x minus 3. Again, find my y-intercept, count my slope, which is positive 3, positive 4, or I can do negative 3, negative 4. Because it is less than or equal to, it is a solid line, because we include the points on the line. Less than values for y are below my y equals line, so you can see I am shading that here in blue, all of these points here. The last inequality we'll do is 4x plus 3y is less than negative 15. Again, not solved for y, so I'm going to subtract 4x from each side. That gives me 3y is less than negative 4x minus 15. And we're going to divide each side by 3. And that gives me y is less than 4/3 x minus 5. Y-intercept is down 5 on my y-axis. Slope is down 4. I don't have room. Let's go up 4 into the left 3. And that should give me enough points. This one is less than, not equal to, so we draw in a dashed line. And in this case, less than values again are below the line, so we are going to shade below our line here. That concludes the screencast for graphing a single inequality that is linear.